Welcome to our Gimbal Showdown. Today, we're diving into a detailed comparison between two popular smartphone gimbals, the hohem iSteady Mobile Plus and the AOCHUAN Smart X2AI. Both of these gimbals promise to enhance your video recording experience, but they do so in different ways. We'll explore their unique features, performance and stabilization, and how they cater to different types of content creators. Let's get started. The hohem iSteady Mobile Plus features advanced iSteady 7.0 stabilization technology, ensuring smooth and steady footage even in dynamic shooting conditions. This gimbal excels in providing professional-level stabilization, making it ideal for vloggers and filmmakers. On the other hand, the AOCHUAN Smart X2AI offers decent stabilization but may not match the performance of the hohem in more challenging environments. While both gimbals are effective, the hohem's superior technology gives it an edge for serious content creators. When it comes to tracking, the hohem iSteady Mobile Plus relies on app-based tracking, which can be a bit cumbersome for users who prefer a more straightforward setup. In contrast, the AOCHUAN Smart X2AI features AI-powered face and object tracking that operates without the need for an app, making it a convenient choice for those who want to capture dynamic shots effortlessly. This difference in tracking technology highlights the AOCHUAN's user-friendly design, appealing to casual users and vloggers alike. In terms of pricing, the hohem iSteady Mobile Plus is priced at $109, reflecting its advanced features and capabilities. However, for those on a budget, the AOCHUAN Smart X2AI offers a more affordable option at $94, making it a great choice for beginners or casual users. Additionally, the AOCHUAN is lighter and more compact, which enhances its portability for on-the-go shooting. This makes it an attractive option for users who prioritize ease of transport without sacrificing essential functionalities. In conclusion, both the hohem iSteady Mobile Plus and AOCHUAN Smart X2AI have their strengths and weaknesses. The hohem offers superior stabilization and advanced features, making it ideal for serious content creators, while the AOCHUAN provides a more compact, budget-friendly option with convenient tracking capabilities. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your specific needs and shooting style. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and